Taking a look at our forecast today, we are still going to hold on to the chances for a little bit of some rainfall into the area. We are starting off this morning with some light mist, a little bit of drizzle for a few spots. Here's a look at the 24-hour past radar rain estimate. We did see a little bit of those rain showers into the area. Looks like we're going to continue to see showers throughout most of the work week and most of that 7-day forecast as well. Now, it doesn't look like we're noticing anything on satellite and radar, but we are having a few areas still dealing with some drizzle as we are heading out the door this morning. This system is going to try to catch up to us mainly as we head into tonight and the overnight hours, and even into early tomorrow morning. We'll still see some moisture all from that system that's off to our west. Now, our temperatures right now, we are starting off most of us into the middle 30s. You have a few spots in the lower 40s, and a couple areas are actually right around that freezing mark as well. So we have a whole mixed bag of temperatures to start us off. Looks like our highs are going to kind of resemble what we saw yesterday. Most of us had a really hard time making it out of the 40s. We saw the lower 40s, middle 40s, even the upper 40s, 49 in rich lands. Throughout today, a few areas are going to be lucky enough to try to hit into the 50s, the lower 50s at that. Most of us still holding on into the middle and the upper 40s throughout the course of today. Now, our winds are going to be primarily coming out of the southeast throughout today. We will have wind gusts that sometimes try to hit a little bit higher than 10 miles per hour, but most of us overall are going to be noticing a pretty calm day in terms of the wind. So we do notice the potential still for a little bit of some drizzle and some mist for us throughout the morning hours, where temperatures for some spots are right around that freezing mark. We could see a little bit of this rain try to become some freezing rain into the area. Most of us, though, looking to remain pretty dry but very cloudy throughout the course of today. We will start to notice, though, this is looking at 7 p.m., a little bit of that rain is going to start to trickle in from that system off to the west. Looks to be pretty spotty in some spots, even through the overnight hours, not looking to develop into widespread until tomorrow morning as you're heading out the door. Looks like most of the area is going to be starting off with a pretty wet morning commute. Definitely need the umbrella, but we do notice the showers look to taper off for us into the afternoon tomorrow, and eventually by the overnight hours of Tuesday and into Wednesday, we should be seeing more of a dry trend, but still really keeping up with that cloud cover over top of us. Tomorrow morning, we should be a little bit warmer than what we're experiencing this morning. We'll have the temperatures into the lower 40s for us. By tomorrow afternoon, we should already have those highs hitting into the 50s. Still, though, keeping up with the chance for a little bit of these spotty rain showers and the cloud cover. That looks to be the name of the game for us throughout most of the 7-day forecast. By the weekend, looking to be a little bit drier over top of the area. Temperatures look to fall back down to the 40s, but the days before that, though, looks like we could be having some areas hitting into the 70s. Thursday is the first day of spring, so much warmer than spring weather, but we will be having those spring-like showers.